Well, we have a pretty big change here with this Land Cruiser. The 35-inch BFGs are on, and there it sits in the air. Looks pretty sharp up in the air, and I'm going to say it looks even better down on the ground. The answer to that is yes, it looks great. Sits good, it has a slight rake to the front, similar to most all ARB Old Man Emu suspensions. Slight rake to the front here, and the back sits up well. We have good clearance on the wheel well, especially in the back, which was always a kind of a concern, but looks sharp. Proportionally, it really does look correct on there. From a 35 standpoint, it doesn't look too bad. Some tires look small underneath troop carriers, but in this case, I don't know. These look pretty decent.